the way that she values relationships and people in her life. These are very, very admirable traits.
Trust me, the way he makes me feel, I feel so secure, so at home. If I have to use one word to describe him, it's home.
The beauty and the grace, nothing we would change at all. A feeling that is deeper than the ocean, raging to the sound of us.
That feeling that I get where, you know how two puzzle pieces click together, and that's what I feel when I'm with him ever since the beginning, and that feeling has not changed.
I'm the kind of person who will think 3-4 times before I do something, whereas she's somebody who has her heart on her sleeve, and I think we complement each other very, very well.
The rush of the unknown, awakening these untamed hearts, reaching out beyond our hesitations, knowing how we've come so far. The veil is getting thin.
I think together they really complement each other. So the differences and similarities somehow merge together very beautifully.
Yes, as days progressed, we found that yes, he made the right choice. She's very, very systematic and very, very sincere and commitment. I think दोनों में ये common trait हमने पाया है.
We were made for all of this. You alone, my confidence.
I'm still getting used to the idea because for me he's always been a chota bhai, and I never thought I'd see him become a groom so soon.
This is where it starts. 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 This is where it starts.
बचपन से जब बड़े हो रहे थे तो पापा कहते थे जल्दी कर देंगे, तो मुझे भी था कि ठीक है जल्दी कर देंगे. मैं वेट करती गई, शादी हुई नहीं. मैं बड़ी होती गई, शादी हुई नहीं. पापा को मजाक में बहुत बार कहती भी हूँ कि मैंने 2 MBAs किए हैं. दूसरा वाला मैं सिर्फ शादी से भागने के लिए किया था, और मैं भागी और मुझे ये मिल गया. గరిమా నా కోడలు కాదు నా కూతురు.
మేము మీకోసం వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాం. గరిమా இப்போ நீங்க எங்க வீட்டு பொண்ணு.
Let me show 'em how it's done.
That Garima hates, which will be the hashtag. Hashtag Chandrima.
Hashtag Chandrima.
जो मन में आया. गरिमा इसने चंद्रमा बोला है. जब चंद्रा खुद जयपुर आया, he messaged Garima, let's get you married.
It's your
Then let me show 'em how it's done.
It's her wedding featuring me.
In terms of confessing his feelings, he was the first one. But उसने actually किया नहीं था. उसने काफी cryptically मुझे कहा था कि ऐसा ऐसा है. मैंने 2-3 घंटे बाद जब मुझे फाइनली रियलाइज हो वो क्या कह रहा है, लाइक आई थिंक आई हैव अ क्रश ऑन यू, एंड देन इज व्हेन आई रियलाइज शिट, इसने तो अभी तक मुझे कहा ही नहीं ऐसे मैं पसंद हूँ. ये तो मैं इमेजिन कर रही हूँ कि इसने ऐसा कहा है. व्हाट इफ ही डजंट मीन दिस.
Chandra, we have a suggestion for you. Just say yes. सब चीज में हाँ बोलना है.
Chandra, all the best. This is going to be a lot of fun.
So I think the equation that we share, it's very rare.
It is what it is. It is clearly meant to be, and super excited coming to get you in a couple of hours.
हमराओं मेरे आ चले हम आसमां के राहों में, सोबतें जो संग हो तेरी रोशन रहे निगाह.
Garu, it's happening. 3 years ago, we decided this is gonna happen, and literally today here is where we are.
गरिमा बीइंग गरिमा, यू नो, गरिमा एक ऐसी बच्ची है जो पूरे घर को सर पे उठा के रखती है.
वैसे वो 4-5 साल से बाहर रह रही है तो घर में बहुत अकेलापन लगता है, और जब वो आती है तो पूरा घर चहक उठता है.
वी हैव अ वेरी यूनिक रिलेशन, जब बता नहीं सकते कि कौन बड़ा और कौन छोटा है.
How she behave after this, but I hope she remains my daughter as she was before.
कभी वो बड़ी बन जाती है, कभी मैं बड़ा बन जाता हूँ. रात को 2 बजे भूख लग रही है तो रोटी बेल के भी खिला देती है.
मेरी तो जान बसती है उसमें.
यार मतलब I can't put this into words. I am very very close to my family and I think नहीं पता मुझे, like this is something I haven't thought about.
Yeah.